Now I hope that you are more or less comfortable with how regular Norwegian verbs work in the past tense, but if we look at chapter 6 in our book, in På vei, you will see that there are plenty irregular verbs. So I just took them and I want to go through them and show them to you with some examples. So the first verb is å være, which is to be, and in present it is er. Well, in the past tense it is var. So, hvor var dere I ferien? Where were you on vacation? Å få, to get. Present tense is regular, past tense is irregular. Fikk. Heldigvis fikk de plass på en campingplass I nærheten. Å gjøre, to do. In present tense it's gjør, and in the past tense it is gjorde. Pay attention to the change of the vowel. Hva gjorde du I ferien? What did you do on vacation? Å dra, drar, in the past tense, dro. To go by transport. Etter 2 uker dro Christian på bluesfestival på Notodden. After 2 weeks, Christian went to a blues festival at Notodden. Å ta, to take, tar, and in the past tense, tok. Yeah, pay attention to the O sound. It's not talk, it's tok. Hilde tok det med ro I ferien. Hilde took it easy, so she did not stress on vacation. Å sitte, to sit, in the past tense, satt. De satt inne og spilte kort hver dag. They were sitting inside and they were playing cards every day. Å drikke, in the past tense, drakk. De hørte på musikk og drakk øl. They were listening to music and drinking beer. Å treffe, in the past tense, traff, to meet. Hilde dro på biblioteket eller traff venner I byen. Hilde went to the library or met her friends in town. Å gå, in the past tense, gikk. Olga gikk inn på kjøkkenet. Å se, which is to see, in the past tense, så. De så på TV. Å spørre, present tense is irregular, spør, in the past tense, spurte. Olga spurte om å få en fridag. Olga asked to get a day off. Å bli, to become, in the past tense, ble. Hun ble veldig glad. Å stå opp, to get up, in the past tense, sto opp. Olga sto opp klokka 6 I går. Å legge seg, to go to bed, in the past tense, la seg. Hun la seg klokka 11 uten vekkerklokke. So these were some of the irregular verbs from the chapter 6. And again, if you see any more verbs and you're not sure how to use them, just check with the dictionary.